Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will be drawing the ventricles in the brain in this video. Thank you, Sarah, for suggesting this topic. I like to listen to you guys, so let me know in the live stream chat or in the comments. I know it is still a month away, but happy Halloween, everyone. I cut his brain out for this tutorial. I already made this brain in a previous tutorial, so if you want to check it out, you can check the link below. First thing is to grab the pen tool and start drawing the outline of the ventricles. It is important to have the reference on the side so you have an idea of the correct anatomy structure. Let me give it a blue fill. Looks kind of cool, right? I'll lighten up the blue to make it less saturated, otherwise it looks very unnatural. Okay, I'll make a copy of the ventricle. Okay, and I will need to shrink this white shape down. So path, offset path, maybe like minus 20 pixels. So now we have a smaller shape. Let's see how it works. And if I blur, Gaussian blur, I can create this highlight for the shape. So now the ventricle looks like it has a volume, but the highlight of the ventricle is a little bit more complicated. I will adjust the form of the highlight so it can fit better with the anatomy form of the ventricles. There we go. Fixed. The third ventricle, I need to move this lower. I use the eyedropper tool to pick the same color from the first ventricle. Then I need to create something called the compound path. It can allow me to have this chamber in the middle of the third ventricle. I select them both. Come up here to object, compound path, make. If you want to adjust it, just double click, then you can adjust the location of your compound path. If you want to adjust it, just double click, then you can adjust the location of your compound path. Radial gradient in there. You drop it in, then this, go it down here. I'll fade this out a little bit. Very prominent. The fourth ventricle will do the same thing. Oh, it looks kind of cool. I'm happy with my ventricles. Okay, and again, blur, Gaussian blur. Good to me. Highlight gradient. Move the ventricles on top of the brain and then just simply decrease opacity. All right, guys, so that's the tutorial today.